Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to fix negative balances on Cash App. A negative balance can look worrying, but don't panic. It usually happens for simple reasons, and there are clear steps to fix it. The first thing to know is why a negative balance appears. This usually happens if you made a purchase and your Cash App balance was too low, if a payment was reversed, or if fees were added after a transaction. Sometimes it can even come from pending charges that later get settled. To fix it, open your Cash App and check your balance. If it shows a negative amount, the fastest solution is to add money. Just tap the Banking tab, choose Add Cash, and move enough funds from your linked bank account or debit card to cover the negative balance. Once the money is added, the balance will automatically update back to zero or positive. If you don't have money to add right away, check for canceled or disputed transactions. Sometimes the negative balance is temporary and will fix itself when the issue clears. If you think the charge is an error, contact Cash App support directly through the app. Go to your profile, tap Support, and explain the situation. They can investigate and help resolve it. The most important tip is prevention. Always keep a little extra in your Cash App balance and make sure your linked payment method has enough funds. And that's how you can fix and avoid negative balances on Cash App. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.